All right, ladies and gentlemen, Happy New Year. How are we feeling here tonight? Good? Happy New Year. Are you guys happy to see 2014 go or what? Is there anybody that had a good year? Yeah, all right, that's positive. My name is Dylan Black from Boom 99.7. Thank you so much for coming out to Rick Chiarelli's alcohol-free family New Year's Eve here at Ben Franklin Place. I want to let you know as well, if you do enjoy what you've been experiencing here tonight, please let Rick's office know, and the mayor's office as well. Simply go to their websites and send them a line, drop them an email, and make sure that we keep this party going every year. It's very important, okay? Awesome. Don't forget as well, the fireworks are going to be taking place outside at 10 o'clock. You guys excited for some fireworks? I'm not excited because at 10 o'clock that means I can go to bed at the normal hour. Everybody else happy about that? Lots of parents? Okay. So what's going to be happening here is it's going to be exciting. It's going to be fast, it's going to be quick, and we need you guys to get excited to cheer on the three teams that we have chosen for this IKEA assembly competition, which is real cool, okay? Now, I will totally lose any contest like this because I have no idea how to put together IKEA furniture. I don't even know if it's furniture. I don't know what it is. But we've got three teams who are going to come up here, okay? And the team that puts together the item the quickest will win a prize, compliments of Funhaven as well. They're also going to win whatever the item is, which is pretty cool, okay? So, I'm not sure how we're bringing on the teams. Let's bring out all three teams, okay? All three teams, come on out. Give them a round of applause. All right. Two teams, we're looking for the third team. Do we have a third team? Okay, so we're looking for a third team. Is that what we're saying?
Yes, we had chosen them. Where are they?
Somebody get shy? Somebody afraid of IKEA all of a sudden? No, if you got your hands up, I think we've been pre-chosen already. Okay, here they come. All right, Jeremy. How are the teams feeling? Pretty confident? Yeah, you guys confident? Yeah, we are. Come on. Come on, yeah. All right. Confidence. Sorry, whoops. All right. So I don't know if we have like IKEA putting together music or anything here, or no, we got nothing? Okay. You guys can just hum the Jeopardy theme song until the duration of it or something like that. When do we begin this? Do we have like an official, like...
You divide them into cheering sections.
Cheering sections. Oh, okay. So I guess we're not playing favorites here, okay? If you belong to any of these people, it doesn't matter. If you're in the section that's you're assigned to, you got to cheer for them, okay? So this team right here, this section over here, okay? We need you to get loud for them, all right? The superheroes in the middle, that's going to be you guys in the middle, okay? And on the end, Mr. Enthusiasm over there. That's for you guys over there, okay? All right, are we ready? On your mark, get set, start building. All right, see, I would have trouble just opening the box myself. Yeah. You're actually doing the Jeopardy theme song, aren't you? All right, so team in the middle, all of a sudden, there's four people there, so there is a small advantage. So they've got the box open, they've taken the pieces out. Now, who knows, this could take upwards to a couple minutes or a whole day. It's hard to say how long this whole process is going to take. Now, don't forget as well, guys, you've got to put the piece together, and then you have to make sure it's together, either by sitting on it or whatever it is, okay? So it's really hard to say at this point who has the advantage. Where's our cheering? Yeah. We're supposed to cheer these people on. Go, Mr. Enthusiasm. That was awesome. Yeah. No pressure on the end, right? All right, I know your teams, these teams aren't going to answer me, but is there anybody having difficulties so far? No, everybody's got this? And it's hard to say here. Mr. Enthusiasm on the end looks like he has something going on. Team in the middle is coming on strong as well, too. No pressure here on the end. You can feel the stress building up here, by the way.
Okay, so we need to build it. We need to build this next. So let's build this next.
All right, somebody's cheering for Batman, which is kind of cool. It looks like the Joker's putting it together, though. Is that bad or what? Yeah? Go bad guys, right? I don't know.
That's not the right thing. Oh yeah.
At least we do have some progress.
No, they'll
could be a
go on
lot
the
worse at
inside.
this point. I don't see any Allen keys, which are kind of good too when it comes to IKEA stuff. Unless that's still to come, right? Who chose these pieces, by the way? Did we try to get the most difficult pieces possible? That's entertaining. All right, I have a feeling we're probably at about the halfway point. Let's get a round of applause for these guys. Come on, get loud for them. Of course, I could be generous with that halfway point. I'm not sure if we're actually there or not. All right, yeah, good strategy is, of course, to check out the instructions that come with this piece. Be a lot more fun if the IKEA pieces didn't come with instructions. That'd be entertaining for the whole family at home, for sure.
Like that. Right.
So I'm just going to say, it looks like it's some kind of chair thing going on here. So as I mentioned, once the piece is put together, we'll have to get one of the members to actually sit in the chair and make sure that it is assembled. That can be entertaining as well.
That one. You have to sit in the chair. Did they say which one of us has to sit in the chair? Can the light person sit in the chair?
The heavier the better. The heavier the bigger fall, right? Entertaining. Okay. You guys are still feeling good here, or regretting that you participated in this?
Yeah, but are we winning? That's what I want to know.
Something like a chair is coming out on the end. Of course, let's see for these guys. Come on. 2 hours to get towards the end of this.
Okay. So where's those flat ones?
Oh, so close, but so far away, perhaps. It's the first time in history the Joker's ever got a cheering section. So I don't know, this could still take a while or it could be over in a flash. It's hard to say. Wow. Look at these guys next to me coming on strong here at the end. Where's their cheering section? You guys are pretty quiet over there. Yeah. Good. participate in this. Stressful, I see sweat beads up here. Don't forget as well, guys, coming up after this, we're going to have a costume contest. 3 different categories, okay? We'll be looking for children between 1 and 6 to participate, 7 and 10, and 11 and 15, okay? And on the line are fun-haven gift certificates. So if you're dressed up as a superhero or a supervillain, we'll be asking you to come to the front as soon as the IKEA building challenge is complete. All right, like I said, it's really hard to tell if we're close to the end here or what. You just never know with IKEA pieces, right? You think you're done, and oh, something you forgot. I think it's just like any other sport. The louder you guys get, the more they are excited to do this. Come on, guys. Get louder here. Give them motivation. Cheer them on as loud as you can here. Looks like the team in the middle is getting close. Supporters for the teams on both ends, get loud for them, okay? They can still do this, there's still plenty of time. It's coming down to the home stretch here. Team in the middle is doing quite well. What happened to our Joker chant? Sure, why not? And it looks like we have a winner! The team in the middle, congratulations! You've won the Rick Chiarelli New Year's Eve IKEA Assembly Challenge. Oh, I think we still have to get that one last piece on though, right? Congratulations! See it one more time after you've got the cushion on. Let's see. And there's our winners! I know you're the Joker, but what's your names? Over?
My name's Taman.
Alright, and who's with you here? Alex? Batman? And who else do we have here? All right, congratulations, guys. You got yourself a Fun-Haven gift certificate. Not only that, there you go, congratulations. You get to take home a piece of furniture from IKEA you've assembled. So have fun getting that into the parking lot somehow. And as well, for our other contestants, do not go home empty-handed. You've also won the furniture that you're trying to put together. Now they're trying to put it back in the box. Yeah, don't lose those instructions, okay? Let's have a big round of applause for all of our participants here. Very impressive.